How to reset game progress in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to start fresh in Beach Buggy Racing 2 and reset your game progress, then first of all launch open Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top left corner from the home page. Now you'll come across this page where you need to click on Manage Account at the bottom right. Now click on Delete Data on the next page and you'll see Reset Game option on the left. Tap on it. After tapping on Reset Game, your game progress including any purchases will be lost and the game will restart from the beginning. But your online account will be saved. So that's how you easily reset your game progress in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Resetting progress cannot be undone, so make sure you really want that. If your account is linked, progress may return after logging in. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reset your game progress in a simple and safe way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.